Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing to share with you. I decided I'm just not going to be on camera because this is going to be a pretty quick video. If you guys have never seen any of these unboxings before, what we're doing today is a mystery box unboxing from Thredup. They do these reject boxes or rescue boxes, whatever they've named them now. So they have a variety of different boxes you can choose from. I've done quite a few unboxings already on my channel. Today we're doing another denim box. The denim box so far has been my favorite. I really liked the shoe box I got as well. It was just kind of expensive, but the denim boxes are very inexpensive and I've always been able to easily make my money back and then some. So that's why I've done them so many times. So they did change the price. It's now $24 for only 15 pounds of denim. It used to be 20 pounds for $20, so it's a little bit more expensive, but let's see what we got in here. All right, this looks like a pair of men's jeans. So yes, let me see. All right, my camera just died right when I held up the first pair. Okay, so the first pair of denim looks like a pair of men's jeans, and these are a pair of Lee relaxed straight leg premium denim. It looks like everything is in working order. I don't see a size. Oh, here. It's a size 36-34, so yeah, it's a men's denim. I could kind of just tell from the thickness of these. But yeah, they look like they're in fairly good condition. There is actually some wear to the bottom of them, but other than that, they look like they're pretty good. I don't sell a lot of men's jeans, so I honestly really don't even know what those would go for. Okay, I'm hoping to get some good ones in here. Let me back you guys up. I feel like you can't see very well. All right, the next pair that I pulled out, this is a pair of Gap jeans. I have sold Gap jeans before. I actually think I have some still in my closet. They do okay. They don't sell for a lot, but they usually sell pretty quickly because people know their size and they know the style that they like. These are called the Always Skinny and they're a 29 regular. And they're obviously a dark wash and they look like they are never worn. These look like they're in perfect condition. There is actually some hair on them, like cat hair. So they do look a little dirty, but other than that, they do not look worn at all. They're in fantastic condition. So those will be easy to sell. All right, ooh, next we have a very dirty pair of white denim. Let's see what these are. They are very dirty. Hold on, let me see if I can. Oh, it's another pair of Gap. These are the original flare. These are the Gap original flare and they are size, I can't see a size, but I don't know if these will come clean. I mean, they're white, so I definitely could try bleaching them, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. It's like black stains all over, and they're literally all over these jeans. But the style is really cool. Like, if I could get them clean, it's a flare leg, but they're also like very heavily distressed, and they have like the stitching over the distressing, if you can see that. And then it looks like they also have destroyed hem. I don't think that was on purpose though. That looks like it was not done on purpose. That looks like someone destroyed this hem. So I think these are actually not going to be sellable. These look like they were kind of ruined. So, okay. Oh, not very good so far. Oops, did I pull out two? No, I pulled out a ripped up pair. Okay, this so far is a very DIY box. Most of the denim boxes that I've gotten, even though they call it a DIY for projects boxes, most of the time everything has come in excellent condition, not torn up, but so far these look like they're pretty torn up. So here's another pair of Levi's. These are the 569 Levi's. It's another men's, it's a 34-34, and I don't know if you saw when I pulled it out of the box, but one side has been cut. It looks like someone started to try to cut them into shorts and then decided they didn't want to do that. So, yeah. I'm not good at cutting jeans into shorts, so I don't think I will bother with that. So we'll probably just not be able to sell these. All right, let's move on. Looks like there's only a few more pairs in here. So next we have a pair of Cabby. These are old label Cabby jeans. It's a size 14. I have a pair of cabbie jeans in my closet that I've literally had in my closet since I started reselling a year ago. I cannot get rid of them, so I doubt these will be easy to sell. They do have like a straight leg to them, and there is some wear, it looks like, on the ankle. It was distressed. It looks like factory distressing here. It has the flap pockets. So yeah, I mean, it's like a medium wash. I think these will be difficult to sell because they're not a current style. Okay, next up we have another pair of there's a lot of Levi's in here. No, these are Lee. Okay, it was hard to tell because this tag is so distressed, heavily distressed from wear. These are another pair of Lee straight leg jeans, and again, I think they're men's. Lots of men's jeans in this box. I don't see a size tag on these ones. They look like they're actually in pretty good condition, besides the fact that this is really worn. The jeans themselves are in good condition. I don't see any wear or holes. Maybe a little wear, actually, yeah, a little wear on the ankle here, but not bad. Again, though, I don't think Lee jeans sell for that much, but I don't sell a lot of men's jeans, so I'm not really sure. This string came out of the box, I don't know. That's probably from one of these jeans. Oh, next we have a pair of Hudson. This is a really old label, Hudson. I've seen that once in the store before, but I've never actually picked up this label before. It does have the flap pocket, so that is more desirable style with Hudson jeans. I rarely pick up Hudson anymore. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, this is why you always check pockets of jeans. I just found $15 in the pocket of this, so now I feel like this box was worth it because I got half my money back, but I think I was leaning towards it not being worth it before that. That is crazy, they didn't even check the pocket. So, okay. Anyway, I'm feeling a lot better about the box, but the jeans themselves so far have not been fantastic. Anyways, I was saying I don't pick up Hudson very often anymore because they just don't move very quickly, and when they do, it's not for a lot. So they used to sell a lot better, but this is a size 27. It actually looks like it might be a flare leg, which is a good style. There's some dirt here, but that looks like it could just be washed right out. There's a little dirt right here, but there is quite a bit of wear on these, on the ankles, so that's gonna hurt the value quite a bit. So yeah, I don't know if I'll even try reselling those ones. Okay, oh man. Besides the $15, this has been a pretty bad box. Okay, what are these? Oh, they're Gap jeans. The tags in here are just a little different than what I'm used to. So this says it's Gap jeans size 30-32 standard fit. Is this like an old tag or a new tag? Do you guys recognize that tag? I haven't seen anything like that before. Anyway, they again are a pair of men's jeans, but the style on these I think is a lot better than the other ones I've seen in this box, and the condition is pretty good as well. So I actually feel like I could sell these pretty easily. It looks like a pretty good style for resale, so that's exciting. Okay, next up, getting down to the bottom here. I can see the bottom now. This is a pair of silver, okay, silver Suki surplus jeans in a size 29-30. Is that a men's jean then? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it is a men's jean. It's like all men's jeans in here. No, this is definitely a woman's jean. Anyway, it's a pair of silver jeans. It has like an embellished pocket. I've never picked up just silver jeans. I've picked up silver and Melissa McCarthy collab ones before, but never just plain silver. So I don't feel like they have a great resale value, but I think that they can sell. So because the condition's good on those, I'll probably at least try to sell them. All right, now I'm just gonna check all the pockets. This is a pair of American Eagle jeans, and these are the boy fit. It's called the boy fit, and it's a size 6. So I think they're women's jeans, but they're like a boyfriend fit. Those are short, very short. So they're either cropped or, I was gonna say maybe they've been taken up, but it doesn't look like it. I think they're just cropped. So that is what those look like. All right, the last pair of jeans. These are from Hollister. They're the Hollister Classic Straight 2932. This, it looks like an older pair. It almost looked vintage when I first pulled them out. They do have like a medium rise, it looks like. There's the back pocket. They're actually in really good condition as well. So, okay, let's do a quick recap. Let me see how many pairs I got. All right, so my box came with 11 pairs of jeans. Overall, I think there's only maybe 3 pairs in here that I'll even try to resell, and I don't think I can get very much for any of the ones that I actually can resell. Most of them are actually just in really bad condition, which is why I won't be able to sell them. And the brands that I got, besides the Hudson jeans, I think they're all just kind of mall brands, like mid-range brands. American Eagle, Hollister, lots of Levi's, Lee jeans, so nothing like super exciting in the pile. I'd definitely say the best find in this whole box was the $15 in cash, and thank goodness I got that because that made the box worth it. By the way, I think I did actually have a $10 credit from a referral code that I used to buy this box, so I think with this $15 I ended up getting my money back, which is great. Because the box was not very good. So leave me comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys thought of this box. I am definitely wanting to try some more boxes. I think overall I usually get pretty decent stuff from Thredup, but every once in a while you get a box that's just a dud. I've had one other jean box that was really bad besides this one, where it was like all kid stuff and not in good condition kid stuff. And then I had a purse box that was horrible. But everything else I've gotten has been pretty decent, so I'm definitely up for trying more. Leave me comments, let me know what one you would like me to unbox next. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hi Amelia. Hi big girl. What are you doing? What you doing? You are so pretty. All right, I thought I would just show you guys really quick. I ended up deciding that these 6 pairs of jeans are worth trying to resell. So I have the men's Hollister jeans. They look like they're possibly vintage or meant to look vintage. So I'm gonna try to resell those. This American Eagle women's jeans that are called the boy jean, I'm gonna try to resell those. Again, I probably will only get like $15 for each pair of these, and that's before Poshmark's fees, so not a big profit. The Hudson jeans, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna bother with these or not. I kept them in this pile for now, but the bottoms are so very worn that I'm either gonna have to cut them into shorts or sell them as is and tell someone that they can cut them into shorts because they're just not in good condition. So I won't get much for those either. These are, what are these ones? Oh, these are the cabbie jeans. Again, probably only about $15 for those. I'm only gonna try to sell these because they're a nice size. They're a size 14. But again, I have had a pair of cabbies in my closet for a long time. Those are pretty difficult to sell, those older labels. And then the 2 that I think will sell the quickest and the easiest are definitely these 2 pairs. This is a pair of women's Gap jeans, and this is the men's Gap jeans. I think both of those will sell pretty quickly. This is my pile of donations. All of those are either in poor condition or just are not worth my time to list. If it's gonna sell for $10 or less, I'm not gonna take the time to list it because it takes a lot of work to do that, and it's just not worth it. And a lot of these are actually garbage because they're in really poor condition. So anyway, I thought I would just give you guys that follow-up. So yeah,